How you doing? This is Dave Johnson, the Grill Beast. I want to show you what you get when you get your Beast Impalers. All right, so look, obviously they come in a kick-ass looking box here. You pop your box open. These boxes have a piece of tape because the stuff that's in it is heavy. We don't want it just falling out all over. Look, we have these all wrapped up nice and so they don't get scratched up, I guess, and they don't just come out scratching stuff up. But look, no, the very first thing you need to do is check out the insert card. It's going to tell you how to get your free ebook. It's got a special code in there so you can download it. It's got some good skewer recipes, and it has one of my favorites right there inside the insert card. Okay, so you get 6 of these in a kit, and it has a little plastic protector so you don't stab yourself when you first get them. But look, once you take that protector off, you got to be careful. All right, look, you can see it is thick steel, okay? But it's not so thick that it's going to split your onions and stuff like that. Dude, if you've done a lot of these with a lot of those skewers that are out there, you get your onions and your peppers all split up, and that ain't no fun when that shit falls off into the fire. Anyway, you see it says Beast Impaler on it. Look, it's pretty simple. You can wash these in the dishwasher, in your sink, whatever you want to do. And I suggest you wash them before you use them. You never know. Anyway, that's it. If you have a question, support grillbeast.com. And congratulations on your purchase. And let me know if you have any questions. Later.